You ready?
Want some corn?
Let me take it from the side. Over here, huh?
Is that good, Sampson? What a good boy.
I'm trying to get mad and just eat the whole thing.
He's just gonna eat the whole thing.
I mean, sometimes he gets angry and just bites the whole cob. Like, I can't get enough. He's got a puppy face right now. Look at his eyes. This shit is great. Hard thing to eat though, man.
I'm gonna try to put it on the video.
Is that good, Sampson? You're such a good corn eater. It's like turning a typewriter.
Easy.
Right? It's like...
Over here.
Hmm?
He's watching your fingers. He's crazy in that corn.
There it is. You ate it all.
What a good job. More?
No more. No more. Don't chew it. That's it. Very good. That's Sampson eating the corn.
There's more.
Right? That's enough.